India and Pakistan, two neighbors, two nuclear rivals, have taken warfare to a chilling new level. Homegrown drones filled the skies, while foreign-built machines like the Heron, Akinci, and Wing Loong joined the battle. But this was more than firepower, it was intelligence. Artificial intelligence. Advanced systems like TAIWS and Indrajaal weren't just watching, they were hunting, tracking, neutralizing. It was war, rewritten by machines. In this special episode, we uncover the cutting-edge AI-integrated weapons and warheads used in this high-tech conflict, and the future they're pointing us toward. If you missed Part 1 and Part 2 of our series, where we broke down the Indian and Pakistani drone arsenals, be sure to check the links in the description. This is the third chapter in the world's first true drone war. Heron is one of the most versatile and battle-tested drones in modern warfare. Developed by Israel Aerospace Industries, IAI, the Heron is a medium-altitude long-endurance or male unmanned aerial vehicle that has been a game-changer for surveillance, reconnaissance, and even combat support roles across multiple continents. With a wingspan of over 16 meters and an endurance of up to 52 hours, the Heron can operate at altitudes of 35,000 feet, capturing high-resolution imagery and delivering real-time intelligence over vast terrains. Whether patrolling borders, tracking enemy movements, or coordinating airstrikes, the Heron performs with stealth and precision. What truly sets the Heron apart is its modular design. It can be equipped with synthetic aperture radar, electro-optical systems, and anti-jamming technologies, adapting seamlessly to mission requirements in real time. India is one of the largest operators of the Heron, deploying it extensively in high-altitude regions such as Ladakh and along the line of control, and more recently, during the 2025 Indo-Pak conflict. The Indian variant, Heron Mk2, features upgraded sensors, satellite communication links, and even weaponization capabilities. It can carry air-to-surface missiles like Spike and laser-guided bombs such as Sudarshan and Hammer. During the recent war, Herons played both offensive and defensive roles, spotting enemy drones, guiding artillery strikes, and even directly engaging targets. In a battlefield where every second counts, the Heron acts as an unblinking eye in the sky, tireless, precise, and deadly efficient. It's not just a drone. It's an AI-augmented force multiplier, shaping the future of aerial warfare. Meet the Byractar Akinci, Turkey's most advanced combat drone and a true symbol of next-generation air power. Developed by Byractar Technologies, Akinci pushes the boundaries of what a drone can do, bridging the gap between UAVs and manned fighter aircraft. This high-altitude long-endurance or hail drone soars at 40,000 feet, with an impressive flight endurance of over 24 hours. With a massive payload capacity of 1,350 kilograms, Akinci can carry a mix of precision-guided bombs, cruise missiles, and air-to-air weaponry, some of which were once exclusive to traditional jets. It can carry a long list of weaponry like MAM-L, MAM-C, SMJ cruise missile, LUMATS, Tubatak Sage KGK, Mk-8X series. But Akinci is not just about brute force. It's packed with artificial intelligence. Onboard AI assists in flight control, target recognition, and real-time decision-making, allowing it to operate autonomously in complex combat scenarios. Equipped with synthetic aperture radar, signal intelligence tools, electro-optical sensors, and even airborne early warning systems, Akinci can simultaneously conduct surveillance, jamming, and strike missions, making it a true multi-role asset. In the 2025 Indo-Pak War, Akinci drones were reportedly deployed in high-altitude monitoring, long-range targeting, and even deep strike missions from beyond contested airspace. Their role was silent, swift, and devastating. The Byractar Akinci isn't just a drone, it's the evolution of modern warfare. And it's redefining how nations think about air superiority in the age of AI-driven conflict. The Wing Loong II, China's answer to the modern drone warfare revolution. Developed by the Chengdu Aircraft Industry Group, the Wing Loong II is a medium-altitude long-endurance or mail drone, combining surveillance, strike capability, and affordability into one formidable platform. With an endurance of over 20 hours, a maximum altitude of 30,000 feet, and a payload capacity of 200 kilograms, The Wing Loong II is built for real-time reconnaissance and precision combat missions. It's often compared to the American MQ-1 Predator, not just in design, but in capability. In the 2025 Indo-Pak conflict, Wing Loong drones supplied by China were reportedly used by Pakistan for strategic strikes and deep surveillance. With satellite communication, autonomous flight modes, and battlefield-tested strike algorithms, the Wing Loong II proved its worth in high-risk environments. This drone can carry a deadly combination of weapons, including laser-guided bombs, air-to-surface missiles, and even anti-tank munitions like Blue Arrow 7, AKD-10, GB-7, FT-9 and 10, etc. Its onboard sensors and targeting systems allow for day and night operations with impressive accuracy. More than a drone, Wing Loong II is a symbol of China's growing influence in unmanned warfare. Its presence on the battlefield marks a shift towards smarter, more autonomous combat, and it's changing how nations wage war from the skies. Now we dive into one of the most advanced innovations in battlefield automation, TAIWS, the 10 AI weapon system. It's not one weapon, but a network of 10 AI-driven modules forming a smart, autonomous defense web. Developed jointly by civil and military sectors, TAIWS uses machine learning, computer vision, and swarm intelligence to detect and neutralize threats faster than any human. From AI-guided missiles to self-learning counter-drone units and turret guns, each system talks to the next. Spot a drone swarm? Another module responds instantly using lasers, jammers, or high-speed rounds. But the real breakthrough is its brain. TAIWS learns from real-time data, evolving on its own. During the 2025 Indo-Pak War, it was deployed in key sectors to eliminate threats without delay. This is not just automation, it's the rise of true AI warfare. Welcome to the future of defense. Indrajaal, India's first wide-area autonomous drone defense system. Developed by Green Robotics, Indrajaal is named after the mythical illusionary web, and it lives up to its name. Covering up to 1,000 square kilometers per system, Indrajaal creates an invisible, intelligent shield against aerial threats like drones, loitering munitions, cruise missiles, and even swarm attacks. But what sets it apart is its autonomy. Powered by artificial intelligence, Indrajaal can detect, classify, and neutralize threats without human intervention. It uses a mix of 9 to 14 technologies, including radar, electro-optics, jammers, and counter-UAV systems, all connected through real-time data fusion. In the 2025 Indo-Pak conflict, Indrajaal reportedly played a critical role in defending sensitive airspace from low-flying drone intrusions, reacting in seconds where manual systems would lag. It's not just a system, it's a paradigm shift in air defense. Indrajaal turns science fiction into battlefield reality. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to NanoTech for your next dose of tech updates. Until then, stay innovative and see you soon.